I'm finished designing the shoe. I'm going to begin working on 3D modeling it. Okay guys, so I finished the shoe. I'm pretty happy how it turned out. It looks a little bit, weird in the front, but other than that, it looks pretty good. But I'm not finished. I still need to test the shoe. I need to see how strong it is and, if it holds up. So I'm going to wear it to school, and I'm also going to test it outside. So let's get into testing. Okay guys, so I actually finished the testing. The shoe held up pretty well. The bottom is just a little bit dirty, but the tread still looks good. And this part did snap, but it actually was pretty weak when I was putting it together. It kept on snapping on me multiple times. So I think this was more so an error on when I was building it, because this part held up well, and the other shoe held up well too. So I think that part was just on me, not really the shoe itself. But everything else held up well. It was pretty comfy. It was a little tight in the front, only because I printed the bottom in one piece, so my print bed is kind of small, so I wasn't able to print a whole shoe to my size. So it was a little bit tight on me, but other than that, it was pretty comfy. That's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.